Baby Shusher Sleep Miracle Soother. Tired of shushing your baby to sleep? Flip the work over the professional. This sound machine provides 15 or half hour of continuous shushing sounds, creating a straightforward to follow Dr. Session Karp's the Happiest baby on the block technique. Tiny Love Sound and Sleep Projector Shooter. This kinky fair little creature doubles as a sound machine and a lightweight projector. Flip it on to play the proper lullaby and watch your kid be transfixed by the soft glowing stars that dance around the ceiling. The good part, there is associated in nursing integrated device that will trigger songs to sound once your kid fuses and cries. Hatch Baby Rest Night Like Wig and Sound Machine. This baby sound machines is often connected to your smartphone via associate in the nursing app. This will be super really considering adjusting its settings while not troubling your very little Bob. This is often particularly effective for the primary line of defense once it involves soothing. Skin hoop hooter moon-like and melodies like Soother. As we tend to mention earlier, one study cautions against too loud sound machines that might probably injure assuage in nursing infants' hearing. This skip hoop shooter enables you to manage the quantity of what your baby hears, from lullabies to nature sounds. Cloud Bee Sleeping Sheep Baby Sound Soother. Instead of investigation sheep to sleep, your baby is often soothed by this one instead. Strap this cuddlesome very little lamb to your baby's crib and select from 4 soothing sounds, together with the mother's heartbeat, to lull your baby to sleep. Baby Instant Ocean Dream Soother. Your kid does not have to be compelled to sleep alone. This swimming underwater friend can accompany him to Never Never Land. The lights and music step by step dim every 10 minutes, otherwise you will use the remote to show them off while not troubling your snoozing infant.